Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. It's your girl Samantha, and I'm back with another video. So this video is about washing my face with this soap, this charcoal soap. It has turmeric as well on the other side, as you can see. So I'm just showing you how I apply my soap. Well, the best way to apply your soap is to lather it in your hand and use it on your face. But sometimes it gets the best of us. Yeah, to put the soap on your face, which is not good. But yeah, girl, we Jamaicans. Listen, I'm Jamaican, so let me tell you something. You gotta always have the time there where you put it, it is not good. That's what I'm saying in my video. And when I talk about acne solution and how to get rid of acne, the best way is not to put the soap on your face, because what you put on your face and you transfer it to the soap and all that. But people have different skin types, so what may work for me may not work for you. And even if I apply the soap to my face and it doesn't cause any issue, yeah, girl, I have acne. Like, yeah. So, girl, if you have acne, the best thing is to lather it in your hand. Lather it in your hand. Don't follow me and put the soap on your face. Don't do it. Do not do it. I just want to show you the texture of the soap, like how it gets dark, especially when you put the soap on your face like that. But when you lather it in your hand, it's a total different. You just have a lighter dark, right? So as you can see here, you may see this oil on my face and may be wondering, what is that oil? Why your skin is looking like so oily now? I just wash my face and then I add the castor oil on my face, and look at that. It just gives it a glow. Guys, if castor oil doesn't work for you, you don't have to use it. Or if you try it and it just don't work for you, just stop using it. But if it works for you, then go ahead. Because as I said, every time what works for me may not work for you. But girl, I put on things and I try out things. And as I can say, I am doing the natural way. I'm not adding no skin lightening product on my face at the moment. I'm trying out natural things and how to get my skin glowing. So this is before I even add no oil, right? See the oil here, the castor oil. So let's just show you, because yeah, this is how I did it, to show you how sweet and nice castor oil is, to get rid of any form of wrinkles. Yeah, girl, skin look beautiful. Like, yeah, I'm just really need a soap and all that glowy thing. Well, guys, thank you so much for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for your support. And I'm really happy that you are on the journey with me, as I'm here at 9,000 and no subscribers. Big up on yourself. And thank you for be supporting. I'm so happy. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful night, day, or evening that you're having wherever you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from, guys. I really appreciate it. Bye, guys.